Hello, this is Matt from MIVI Company. We produce various electronics since 15 years ago. People often ask me, what is the trendy promotion gift in 2024? Yes, branded charging cable will be the trendy. Our wide range of branded charging cable include 3-in-1, 5-in-1, and 6-in-1 options to boost your business. All of them can be with your logo, LED logo, 100% custom shaped, eco-friendly charging cables, retract charging cable, travel kit, faster charging, and data transfer. Feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.